Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Guys, welcome to Kospet Magic 2S smartwatch unboxing and full reviews. It's Kospet Magic 2S parcel that I received today. Now, I cut this packet. 40 sports modes, 3 atmospheres, waterproof, more watch faces, Bluetooth 5.0, 30 days standby, 360 pixel resolution, 128 megabyte flash memory. I see here, watch box. Kospet Magic 2S can withstand the pressure of 30 meters of water depth, and can be placed in 30 meters of non-flowing static water for more than 30 minutes. It is theoretically 20 times more waterproof than IP68. Kospet Magic 2S supports non-professional diving, swimming, surfing wearing. Now, I cut this plastic for open this box. It's really exciting moment. Wow, it's Kospet Magic 2s. It's mostly popular one for 40 sports modes, triple upgrade of quantity, quality, experience. Let's see what else there is with this watch box. I found here one extra watch strip. It's looking good quality. Kospet Magic 2S takes the black strap as the default strap, and also presents a skin-friendly food-grade silicone strap, green/black plus red. One charging cable. One warranty card. And one user manual. Its full watch using guide helps you to learn about watch function and teach you how to use it correctly. More features: notification push, sleep management, pedometer, sedentary reminder, calorie consumption, time display, call reminder, alarm clock, blood oxygen, heart rate monitoring, stopwatch, countdown. Let's check watch charging cable. Its charging wire perfect size. I see some watch charging cable wire, size too small. This watch charging head, looking totally different and new design. Charging head connecting system, totally magnetic. If I want to connect it wrong position, it magnetic system don't take charging head near charging ports. And when I put it right position, it's get connect magnetically. The battery capacity of 200 mAh can support 6 to 8 days of daily use without frequent recharging, making it more convenient to use. Now, I connect this USB port in DC 5V charging adapter. It start to get charging. Now, I press power button and turn on it. Now, I swipe up to down, I see some shortcut menu. That is apps, QR code, brightness control, setting, don't disturb option. I swipe right to left. I see walking summary, heart rate monitor and sleeping monitor system. And same to left to right swipe. Now I swipe down to up. I see watch menu, that is, state, heart rate, sports, sleep, music control, notification, stopwatch, countdown and setting option. Now, I go to setting, and I see theme option, and swipe right or left. I see different design, watch theme. Now I wear the watch, its watch strip very comfort, and watch more slim. 128mm large memory for smoother operation. Kospet Magic 2S uses large 128mm flash memory, which can install multiple languages, multiple watch faces, and multiple sports modes, and it runs smoother than other similar products. It's looking very nice and perfect in hand. Now, I install F-Fit apps on Google Play Store and Apple user find it on Apple Apps Store. I agree the terms and condition and create a new account by finished, sing a few steps. Longer transmission range, more stable connection, faster response. Kospet Magic 2S has been upgraded to Bluetooth 5.0 for faster response, more stable connections and longer transmission distances. It's what, turn on Bluetooth permission, and want some access, I allow them. Now, I press, add new device, and I see here, Kospet Magic 2 is found. Now I press it and try to connect. It's connected and it helps to changing watch theme, monitor health and sport status very easy. High definition display improves the visibility of the screen. The integrated all-metal body is equipped with a 1.3-inch high-definition display with 360 pixel into 360 pixel resolution and 2.5D high transparent curved glass, which can still be clearly visible in outdoor environments. This watch able to monitor 40 sports modes, walking, walking machine, treadmill, stair sports, outdoor running, trail running, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, mountain biking, elliptical machine, rowing machine, stepper, sit-ups, dumbbells, aerobics, pilates, yoga, dancing, stretching, badminton, billiards, bowling, football, basketball, table tennis, baseball, rugby, tennis, golf, pool swimming, open water, skipping rope, shuttlecock, hula hoop, mountaineering, skiing, triathlon, taekwondo, kickboxing, karate. Now, I test my heart rate. Multiple watch faces, I have all the styles you need. 5 brand original watch faces plus 21 personalized watch faces plus DIY watch faces. High quality brand designed watch faces and DIY functions can meet your wearing needs on any occasion.
I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.